Hello everyone, welcome back. In our last chapter, we explored the exciting world of autonomous weapons and AI warfare, where we learned how AI is transforming modern warfare. From drones to intelligent robots, AI is changing the landscape of combat. Today, we're diving into a completely different but equally groundbreaking topic, genetic sequencing. In this chapter, we'll explore a technology that's transforming how we understand life itself. Genetic sequencing is like reading the instruction manual of life, our DNA. It allows scientists to determine the precise order of the nucleotides, A, T, C, G, in our DNA, shedding light on how our genes influence everything from our health to our traits. So let's embark on this fascinating journey into the world of genetics and discover how this technology is unlocking the secrets of life. Recent breakthroughs in genetic sequencing. With recent advancements, scientists can now sequence genomes faster and more accurately than ever. This has led to incredible discoveries in medicine, agriculture, and even personalized treatments tailored just for you. Case study Project Baby Bear. Let's look at a real-world example. Project Baby Bear, a groundbreaking initiative that sequenced the DNA of newborns to detect genetic disorders early on. This technology is making it possible to treat diseases before symptoms even appear, giving babies a healthier start in life. Tools of the trade. To make genetic sequencing possible, scientists use specialized tools like next-generation sequencers, NGS. These sequencers allow researchers to read millions of DNA strands simultaneously, speeding up the process dramatically. Think of it as having a super fast reader who can finish a huge book in seconds. Sequencing process overview. So how does sequencing work? The process starts with sample collection, usually blood or saliva. Next, the DNA is fragmented into smaller pieces, then amplified to make enough copies for analysis. After that, the sequencing begins, where machines read the order of nucleotides. And finally, data analysis helps scientists identify important genetic information. Sequencing technologies in action. Technologies like Illumina sequencing and PacBio sequencing are now in action, enabling high-speed sequencing of entire genomes. These tools are revolutionizing medical research by providing insights into diseases like cancer, diabetes, and even rare genetic disorders. Applications in medicine. The applications of genetic sequencing in medicine are enormous. Doctors are using it to identify genetic disorders, tailor treatments based on individual DNA, and even predict disease risks before symptoms arise. Personalized medicine is all about selecting the right treatment for the right person, minimizing side effects, and maximizing effectiveness. Real-world implementation. In practice, genetic sequencing is being used to personalize cancer treatments. By sequencing a tumor's DNA, doctors can identify mutations that drive cancer, allowing them to prescribe targeted therapies that are more effective than traditional treatments. Preventive genomics. Genetic sequencing isn't just about treating diseases, it's also about preventing them. By identifying genetic predispositions to diseases like heart disease or cancer, doctors can offer lifestyle changes or early interventions, potentially saving lives before the disease even develops. Ethical implications of genetic testing. As exciting as genetic sequencing is, it comes with ethical implications. How do we protect the privacy of genetic data? Should genetic information be shared with employers or insurance companies? These questions raise important concerns about genetic discrimination and how we manage genetic data responsibly. The future of personalized healthcare. The future of personalized healthcare is all about tailoring medical treatments based on a person's genetic makeup. Imagine a world where your doctor can choose the best medication for you by simply looking at your DNA. This could make treatments more effective and reduce side effects. Global genomics initiatives. Around the world, global genomics initiatives like the Human Genome Project have laid the groundwork for these advancements. By mapping the human genome, researchers have unlocked a wealth of information that's being used to develop new drugs, treatments, and even cures for diseases. Agricultural applications. Genetic sequencing isn't just for humans, it's also being used in agriculture. Genomics is helping scientists develop crops that are more resistant to disease, drought, and pests, ensuring a stable food supply for the growing global population. The debate over designer babies. A topic that often sparks controversy is the idea of designer babies, using genetic engineering to choose a baby's traits, such as intelligence or appearance. While this technology holds exciting potential, it raises deep ethical questions about what makes us human and who gets to decide what's better. Risks of genetic discrimination. Genetic discrimination is a real risk as more people undergo genetic testing. Imagine being denied insurance or a job because your genetic information reveals you're at risk for a certain disease. It's a possibility we must address through laws and regulations to prevent misuse of genetic data. Next-gen genomics. With next-gen genomics technologies, sequencing is becoming faster, cheaper, and more accessible. In the near future, it might be possible for doctors to sequence an individual's entire genome in a matter of hours, providing personalized health insights with ease. AI meets genomics. The integration of AI with genomics is another exciting frontier. AI can analyze large genetic datasets, helping scientists spot patterns and mutations that would be impossible for humans to detect. This synergy is accelerating advancements in personalized medicine. Genetic literacy for all. As genetic technologies advance, genetic literacy for all becomes crucial. The more we understand about our genes, the better equipped we'll be to make informed decisions about our health, privacy, and the ethical implications of these technologies. Building ethical frameworks. As we continue to push the boundaries of genetic research, we must develop strong ethical frameworks to guide the responsible use of genetic technologies. This includes ensuring privacy, addressing discrimination concerns, and making sure that the benefits of these technologies are shared equally. Conclusion: the genetic horizon. In conclusion, genetic sequencing is a powerful tool that holds immense potential to revolutionize healthcare, agriculture, and beyond. As we advance in this field, it's essential to balance innovation with responsibility, ensuring that these technologies benefit everyone. Thank you for joining me today on this exciting exploration of the world of genetic sequencing and its future. Stay curious and keep exploring.